When feeling unusually sad, irritated, anxious, angry, emotionally unstable, or unlike your usual self, you can often help your mood return toward normal with a few simple steps. A. Take care of your body. Sleep has a strong influence on mood, concentration, and emotional stability. When you do not get enough sleep, you may become more easily irritated, anxious, angry, or emotionally sensitive. Going to bed and waking up at approximately the same time each day helps your body maintain a consistent rhythm. A relaxing bedtime routine, such as reducing screen use, listening to calming music, reading, or taking a warm shower, can also make it easier to fall asleep. Good quality sleep gives the brain time to recover and can help you feel calmer and more balanced the following day. B. Eat regular, balanced meals and drink enough water. Your brain needs a steady supply of nutrients and energy to function properly. Skipping meals or going for long periods without eating can leave you feeling tired, weak, irritable, or unable to concentrate. Regular meals containing vegetables and fruits, whole grains, protein sources, and healthy fats can provide more stable energy throughout the day. Drinking enough water is also important because dehydration can contribute to tiredness and headaches, which may make an already difficult mood feel worse. C. Do 20 to 30 minutes of physical activity. Physical activity is one of the simplest ways to support a healthier mood. Walking, stretching, dancing, cycling, strength training, or yoga can help reduce physical tension and provide a mental break from worries. Exercise also stimulates the release of chemicals in the brain associated with positive feelings and can improve energy and self-confidence. You do not need an intense workout. Regular moderate movement can be beneficial. Thank you so much. Be happy.
Subscribe.